Good day. I am Jessica Bonifacio Estimo, a third-year college student taking up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and I am here to discuss about screen host firewall single home bastion configuration. The main objective is what is a screen host firewall and single home bastion configuration, and how does a screen host firewall and single home bastion configuration works. So, what is a screen host firewall single home bastion configuration? Before that, we are going to define screen host firewall. Actually, there are two types of screen host firewall. One is single home bastion host, which we are going to tackle, and the other one is dual home bastion host. Screen host firewall, it provides better security and usability. It also employs only one screen router to define the external network and the internal network. Next is single home bastion configuration. The firewall system consists of packet filter router and the bastion host. A filter router is a single computer with high security configuration. For instance, it operates at the network and transport layers and in addition to performing the basic function of routing. They use screening rules to filter packets. Next is bastion host. Single computer with high security and it performs authentication and proxy function. Bastion host is a kind of reception area in office premise. Every outsider first needs to register themselves at reception and then only enter inside office area is permitted. Moreover, in the internet, a bastion is the only host computer that a company allows to be addressed directly from the public network, and that is designed to protect the rest of the network from explosion. Just a reality check. Bastion hosts are heavily forfeited against attack. So, no critical data or application reside in Bastion hosts. Next is how does a screen host firewall single home bastion configuration works. Here, traffic from the internet can only reach the bastion host, then cannot reach the internet network. A traffic having an IP address of bastion host can only go to the internet. No traffic from the internet network can go to the internet. Routers configuration. Only packets designed for the bastion host may pass, and only packets from the bastion host may leave. For instance, a packet filter router with a bastion host router's configuration. Only packets destined from the bastion host may pass, and only packets from the bastion host may leave. Bastion host performs authentication and proxy function internet network in protecting by the two systems. It also allows for flexibility. For example, a web server does not need strong security. A router can be configured to allow traffic directly to it. A compromised router will allow traffic to flow directly through to the internal network bypassing the bastion. To sum up screen host firewall single home bastion configuration, this type of configuration can have a web server placed in between the router and the bastion host in order to allow the public to access the server from the internet. Check finding. The main problem with the single home bastion host is that if the packet filter route gets compromised, then the entire network will be compromised also. Thank you for listening, guys.